These we started from seed. Good afternoon and welcome back to Life in Every Season. Hope you guys are having a good day. I think summer has finally came into our area of eastern Tennessee. It actually got up into the high 80s yesterday and today. I am getting ready to repot some of my cilantro. I got really tired towards the end of planting, and I just threw a bunch of seeds in here to see how many would germinate, and now I have got like 5 different little plants, and so I'm going to split them up. I'm going to put a few in here, and then the rest of them I'm going to repot in here so that I can have 2 separate pots of my cilantro. And then we're going to go out onto the property and plant our pretty asparagus plants.
How'd you get those?
These we started from seed. I bought some crowns back in April at an event for homesteaders, and it was in Asheville, and none of the crowns came up. I don't know if they were just dried out or what, but none of the crowns came up. But all of my seeds started, so we're really happy about that. We've got 5 asparagus plants, and Bruce is the only one who really eats it. I will eat it on rare occasions, but that should be enough for him. So we're going to take you along with us and come and help us plant some seeds, or plant some plants, and do a little transplanting.
So what are you trying to do there?
Well, like I said, I have at least 5 different shoots coming up out of this cilantro, so I'm going to try to split them and put 2 in this one and then leave the other 3 in this one so they have some more room to grow.
Sounds like a good idea.
I haven't really decided whether I'm going to plant it out in the yard or if I like having it close to the kitchen. And the greenhouse is close to the house but not close to the kitchen. So one of these is going to go up. So here I've got them split.
I'm trying to help and film. I don't know if that's going to work.
I think I need to take this section out right here. Yeah, they're root bound. I need some more dirt.
We can get that on the way out.
Yep.
We can take our trowel with us.
Yep.
With the asparagus.
Yep. So we'll take this one and this with us. Go fill them up, finish filling them up with dirt, and then we'll load those into the wheelbarrow to go up to where we want to.
I'll just carry them with my fingers.
You can do that?
Get 3 of them. Alright, we decided we're going to make this our asparagus bed. This has been covered in mulch since springtime, and felt like we were really fortunate that asparagus, we got it to grow from seed. We've never tried, but it did sprout, and so we're going to stick that in the ground. We've got 5 of them. I did a little looking, and deer, it was undecided whether deer like it or not. We're going to use the tomato cages, which we'll link when we made these. So we'll make them plant protectors this year. We'll set these around the plants, drive in these 2 stakes, and then just zip tie everything together. So I'm hoping that'll keep those plants, at least the stem portion, the deer won't be able to get to it, and they'll live. So we'll put the camera down, we'll put it on the stand, and Kelly and I will get busy. We're just got an hour or so here on Sunday afternoon, and we wanted to try to get these asparagus in the ground if we can fight the bugs. All right.
Okay, so last year's tomato cages are now plant protecting cages. So I think they look pretty good.
Yeah,
Each plant has
they're a little
its own-
crooked.
They're a little crooked, but hey,
They're on a hillside.
they're on a hillside and they're protected. And excuse me, there was a mosquito on me. The bugs are really bad today, I guess because it's getting hot. But yeah, I think that's going to work out good, Bruce.
All right, let's walk over to how about we show them the flower bed? I think I noticed a gladiola was about ready to bloom. So that was an earlier video in the spring. We created this bed we're walking up to with the mulch. So you put what, dahlias in the back?
I put dahlias and gladiolas. Some marigolds are in there, and
see
some
that one right there in the
sage.
center? See that spike?
Yep. There you go. We got some cool flowers coming up. Looks like we might have some buds on these as well. Yep.
All right.
And let's see, the sage is coming up. Nothing has eaten it.
Yep.
So yeah, we're doing good.
All right. So you watered in the asparagus.
We got a second one that is getting
I saw
three
that.
of them. 3 out of the 5. Look out, cats are wild. I've got lots of little pots kind of just collecting seeds when we didn't have any more room. But here's the cilantro I just transplanted from this pot. So I've got this. My snapdragons are doing really good. I'm really happy with that. I'll try to get those out into the yard when they get a little bit bigger. I've got lettuce growing here. It's all pretty.
Yeah.
I've got lettuce growing in this one as well. It's a purple. I got one of those packets that had like what they called a salad bowl, so it had like 4 or 5 different types of lettuce. I got it from Johnny's Seed. I'm not really sure what that is. These are sunflowers. I'm not sure what that is. We'll know when it comes up. Thank you all so much for stopping by Life in Every Season. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.
Bye.